Whee! Right, so this is actually my second flight because I forgot to turn the microphone on for the first one. Oh, now I've not got my head tracking switched on, so we'll switch that on because that's quite funky, is head tracking. And I might have to switch my bloody goggle fan on as well because it's steaming. Oh, goggle deflag, head tracking. Get rid of that, there we go. Let's try the whole orbit thing. Not really working because of the wind. Oh, no, that's working. I'm orbiting. Hello, I'm orbiting. I'm going to start and go straight off. Ah. It's my glasses that are deep and fogged up, not my goggles. Oh. Up. Have a look around here. Oh yeah. We're down there, look. Down. Right, let's see what happens when I go over here. So we've got good signal, 25 megabits per second. That's quite low. Oh, it's low because of the wind. Oh, it's because I was behind myself, wasn't it? Don't usually go to this path. It's a funny angle. I wonder what's going to happen with the gyro. I'll see what I can do with gyroflow to sort that out. But we've got a very, very strange angle at the moment. Let's go into these trees. Slow down a bit for these trees. It's quite hard to guide to like this location. Fair. Oh yeah, it's good fun. Whoa, that's a tree. Whoa, it's a branch. Whoa, I hit a branch. Through that gap. Whee. Through this gap. And out to the over there. Hey. Yes, moving your head makes your drone move weird. That was fun. I know, and I've got 19 megabits per second still. Oh, let's go through this wood. I've not done this. Oh, actually, this is even more open than the other bit. This actually feels more like flying, because you've got the control, you don't have to worry about the throttle all the time. This actually feels even more like a speeder bike.